Hello, boys and girls. It is time for our last unit of the school year. It's about safety. Do you remember when I asked you this question at the beginning of the school year? Who keeps you safe best of all? If you answered, I do, then you're correct. Not me, but you. You keep yourself safe best of all. You already know that you can keep yourself safe best of all, and you can also help others be safe. In this unit, you're going to learn how to spot dangers and know what to do, and also things that you can do to keep yourself safe in different places and situations. In the next 3 weeks, we will learn about ways to keep yourself and others safe. We will talk about food safety, poisons, and outdoor and summer safety. We will begin with food safety. Maybe you've been wondering if you can get the coronavirus from food. Scientists don't think so, and that's good news. But other viruses and bacteria can get into food and make you sick. If you've ever had vomiting and diarrhea, you had a stomach bug. That's a germ called norovirus. It's the most common way people get sick from food. Scientists call this a food-borne illness. Today, we will learn about ways to keep food safe. You will watch a couple of videos, do a home food safety inspection, and answer some questions about what you have learned. Let's get started.